by the 5th trailer on the far east side going north. They're also kind of, looks like they're playing. I don't know if what they're doing, but there's no one else in front of them. They're almost simulating something. Like they'll take turns, allegedly firing, and then they're actually pointing it at us now.
They're pointing it right at you said?
Yeah, they all seem to be signal 0. I don't know if these are real or not, but they're pointing at us. Two coming out, hands up. Third coming out, hands up.
I got hands. Come back towards me, stop.